You know, puffball mushrooms are said to be some of the tastiest and fun to cook mushrooms found in the outdoors. And one day after running a few errands, Kris came home to find a few had popped up in our yard.
I'm telling you, I just drove into the driveway and what did I see but puffball mushrooms, and that's exactly what I'm gonna go out and harvest for our dinner tonight. Come with me.
The flesh of a puffball is called the gleba, and when they're immature, it's pure white inside and has the texture of a marshmallow. This is when they're edible.
Well, now take a look at these treasures. What we're gonna do is simply take them out, and you wanna cut them, because if you cut them and that you see that they're white completely through, you know that they're edible and they are actual puffballs. I like to just put them right into a Ziploc bag, take them right into the kitchen, clean them up a little bit, fry them with a little bit of venison steak, and boy, let me tell you, your meal is gonna be outstanding.
Puffballs come in many sizes, some as small as a marble and some as large as a basketball or even bigger.
Perfect. There's no discolorations, there's no different colors in here, no pinks or purples. They have to be exactly white, then you know they're edible.
The best time for finding puffballs is in the fall, but there is an edible species that grows in the spring, and you can sometimes find giant puffballs beginning the second half of the summer.
Now look at these. Look at the different colors in this. I mean this, okay, I'm joking, yeah, it's a rock. But yeah, look at these are just a little different looking. And oh, you can see where it's a yellow tint in here. That I'm gonna leave too. That's just, it's not worth taking the chance to get my family sick or anybody else. So you want the nice young mushrooms.
Puffballs are ideal for beginning mushroomers because there are no poisonous species and are easy to tell apart from other groups of mushrooms.
Normally we find them late summer, early fall, but you know, do your research on any mushroom that you decide to pick, because you want to make sure that, first of all, that they're edible and they're not dangerous to your health. So it's like hunting or fishing, safety first, check them out. And this one just doesn't look right to me, but inside it looks pretty good. I see a little discoloration, so you know what, I'm just gonna leave that one be and just head off and hope I find more. Here's another one. Now I'm gonna tell you something. Let's check this one first. Now, when you get these back into the kitchen, this is what I normally do. I'll take the outside coating off of it, peel that off, because sometimes it will upset some people's bellies. So get rid of the outside skin and just simply saute it with some garlic butter and put it over your elk steaks or your venison, or just add it into any cooking recipe that calls for mushrooms, and it'll work great for that.